Good afternoon, traders. Welcome back to Unstockable Trading. I'm not using my headphones, so hopefully my voice is clear. Today we are going to talk about the S&P, and we'll be looking at if you did buy NVDA, you should make a lot today because NVIDIA opened faked lower to 179. And if you remember, I was talking about yesterday, I need to see NVIDIA to hold above 180. And then once it went off below 180 and it bounced right off, that's when I entered. I entered at like exactly 180.2.3. And I had some NVIDIA from yesterday. What I did today was I just averaged down on my May 24th NVIDIA 190 call. And I wrote this all the way to 184. And I sold 5 here and I sold some next leg up. When you normally see this kind of like a very strong leg down and then a weak bounce, most likely it's going to have a second and a third and a fourth leg down. So I sold my remaining position here. I bought back around the end of the day, and I'm up about $100 on it. And then I'm still having so basically I have 190 calls still, May 24th, up about $100, 10 contracts. So NVIDIA, I think something big going to happen tomorrow or next week because the market was fairly like weak today, and then NVIDIA had a very nice, even though it came down from the high, but then still above this 180 mark. 180 price range, and then just floating around with this a little bit, and then it came back up. So it's a signal that okay, I'm going to buy some NVIDIA at the end of the day. Even though after hour it came down, but that's okay. That's just some bogus. It's not going to have any effect. So the S&P, I bought the dip today at 29.11, 29.12. If you remember what I said yesterday, and then I did not panic. I bought more around 29.02, and then knowing that 2900 is the support, like those lines I drew here are not just some random lines. Okay, they are for a reason that I drew them. So basically, on the S&P, we bounced off. Look at this. Yeah, we broke the first 29.11, which I bought these. I bought some SPY calls, and then I averaged down at around 29.02, 29.01, went to 2900, and then we bounced right off. So I sold all of it when we failed to go over 29.20, but at the end of the day, I added 10 more SPY calls, just because we are above the, I believe the 5 days moving average. Let me check. There's a reason that the moving average are very, very, I'll say, accurate. So today we bounced off the 20 days moving average. We closed shy below the 10 days moving average, but that's okay because I think we know where we're gonna bounce off at 29.11 and 2900, so nothing to too worry about it. And then I also added some Apple position today at around 208.8. So with Apple, I told you guys you buy Apple around 208 to 209, and I got in today. So I think Apple will have a potential nice run. I have Apple 215 call. May 24th, and I'm gonna write this up to 215 in the next week or so, or maybe tomorrow when market actually rebound. So not to worry. One thing I want to talk about is Facebook. I exited my position yesterday. I don't want to hold Facebook right now because it has some kind of like a inside tradings going on with Mark Zuckerberg. So I think there's a news about it this morning or yesterday at closing. So Facebook, I'm going to stay away, even though Facebook hit my buy target at 190, but I just overlooked. I did not want to trade Facebook. So my prediction on the S&P tomorrow, you have to look out what kind of news events we have tomorrow. We have the job report, and then I believe China is going to trade today. Keep an eye on Asia stocks tonight. That could driven our S&P futures to the upside to retest 2920. And I think tomorrow we are going to be in this choppy range again. But then as long as we stay above 2911, 2912, I'm not gonna worry too much. On the ES, something I don't really like. If you look at this right here, this is a trend line, an hourly chart. We keep on rejecting the 2920, rejected 4 times, and we bounce off at the 2900 level, which is okay, but this kind of price action I don't like. So I want to see some more confirmation that we are going to close or open above the 2920. If you can see right now, we are kind of with this tag along with this trend line. So something that kind of bearish to me. I added some SPY calls on May 8th, 10 contracts, not a lot. So I think SPY is going to just be choppy in this range, come down in this range. As long as we don't break below 2011, I'll be okay. So that's gonna be for the video. Happy trading. Let's get some money tomorrow.